What's happening, y'all? It's Josh from Drive the Coast. Just got this absolutely stunning 1977 International Scout Traveler in stock. We'll do a quick walk around video. Obviously modified, super sexy, incredibly well done truck. Go through some of the modifications, go through the condition. I mean, this thing is absolutely sexy. Super, super clean. Like I said, top of the line work done. So 77 Scout, got the 345 motor, been fully rebuilt, power steer, power brakes, air conditioning for vintage air, ice cold. Got the Warn Winch up front. Looks like it's never been used. Got 8,000. Looks brand new. Got a vinyl, nylon vinyl strap there. Fog lights up front. Beautiful bumper, super well done. Toe straps there. Looking up underneath here, looks like some of the steering stabilizers was changed. Beautiful LED headlights up front. Grills in gorgeous condition. Come around to the side, you got all-terrain BFGs. Fender flares look great. Stripes are perfect. No rust anywhere on the truck. This was a frame-off restoration. So this is a Traveler, so it's much longer than a normal Scout. Originally came with 2 seats. You can add another one. But it was made to put a bunch of camping stuff in the back. Put all your gear back there. So how clean that bodywork is. Super straight. Love the mirrors. Look super sexy. Nothing in the quarters. Just immaculate bodywork. Like I said, really, really, really clean. I already had this open taking pictures, so thought I'd leave it open and then we'll close it up here. But in the back, nice carpeted back here, right here. Got some like tool storage on both sides here. Full aftermarket upgrade. You can see the metal is absolutely gorgeous. Has a roll bar in it, so you got 3-point seat belts. Show you that in just a sec. Another custom bumper back here. Got a 2-inch receiver hitch. Lots of room to, you can sit there, step up in there, whatever you need to do. So, look at the underside of the top. I mean, mint condition. Traveler's got that full top like that, full rear hatch. Obviously a 4x4 swing away bumper. Lock it in there. Full size spare. Matching wheel. That's your skyjacker style recovery jack. Gas tank back there. Let's get a nice side shot. I mean, look at this thing. Absolutely sweet, and we haven't even been inside yet. Inside, you got memory foam TMI seats, side bolsters on the bottom as well as the back here. Keep you in place, super comfortable, really well done, matches the attitude of the truck. Visors look brand new. So up here you got power steer, got a nice wide, thick grip on the steering wheel. Automatic transmission. There's also your AC controls, blows ice cold like it should. There's your LED lights right here. Beautiful door panels. So, we do have our sniper. So, we got fuel injection, push button start. Fired that up. There's all our vitals right there. Runs like a dream. Hear that AC click on. Start to cool off. 4x4 shift lever. Gun holster. Extra set of keys. 2 extras. That power steer, I mean, just runs like a dream. So cool truck. Drives amazing. Anyway, y'all, let me know I can earn your business. Let's go for a drive.